As India is reeling under the second wave of COVID-19, the Union Health Ministry has released revised guidelines for home isolation of mild and asymptomatic COVID-19 cases. The order states the treatment and drugs to be prescribed by the doctors to the COVID-19 patients during home isolation. Union Health Ministry emphasized that there is no need for testing after the home isolation period is over. Here are the complete guidelines for home isolation as released by Union Health Ministry. As per the guidelines, the patients who are clinically assigned to be mild or asymptomatic are recommended home isolation by the medical officer. During such cases, patients should have required facilities for home isolation. The infected patient should appoint a caretaker on a 24/7 basis where he or she acts as a communication link between hospital authorities and the patient. Elderly patients aged above 60 years who are suffering from comorbid conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, heart disease, and chronic liver disease will be allowed home isolation only after proper evaluation by a medical officer. The COVID-19 patient should isolate themselves after testing positive for the virus. The infected patient should ensure that he or she is isolated in a ventilated room and should regularly self-monitor the oxygen level. While isolating at home, the patients should wear triple-layer medical masks. The infected patient or the caretaker should continuously monitor the health status. The patient should get admitted if they display severe symptoms. The patient should be admitted to the hospital if his or her fever is not controlled with a maximum paracetamol dose of 650 mg. If at all the fever persists beyond 5 days along with worsening cough, then he or she should be admitted to the hospital. If the patient develops severe symptoms such as difficulty in breathing, dip in oxygen saturation level, and persistent pain in the chest, then he or she needs immediate medical attention. The decision to administer remdesivir or any other investigational therapy must be taken by a medical professional. Systematic oral steroids are not recommended for mild cases. The administration of remdesivir drug needs to be administered with the help of a medical professional. Patients need to consult a medical professional for taking low-dose steroids. The COVID-19 situation remains grim in India as the number of daily infections and deaths is slowly inching towards the mark of 4 lakh. India has registered over 3.86 lakh fresh cases and 3,498 deaths in the past 24 hours, taking the overall tally to 1.87 crore.